Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to help you enable PNP picture-in-picture on any iPhone. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I have my iPhone open right now, and the first thing you need to do is to make sure your iPhone is updated to at least 14.0. So to do that, or to check if you are up to date, all you have to do is go to your settings, and then we're going to go down to General, and then we're going to go to Software Update. And it's going to say if there is any updates that are needed. Right now it says I can update to 14.4, but for the picture-in-picture, all you need is 14.0. So I know that I have 14.0. I can go to About, and right underneath my name it says 14.3, so I am good to go. The next thing you want to go to is in General. We're back at Settings. Go back to General. Is right underneath AirPlay and Handoff is picture-in-picture. We're going to click on that, and we're going to make sure that this is enabled. It's on. If it's not, just go ahead and click it. So now we're set to go if our iPhone is up to date past 14.0 or newer, and our picture-in-picture is enabled. Then we're ready to go. Most apps are working with the PNP already. So if it's not working with a specific app, it's probably because that app hasn't installed it. But if you're looking at Netflix or you're trying to FaceTime somebody, this is all going to work. Now, because I'm screen recording, it doesn't really work. I can't exactly show you, but I did go ahead and make a little video that I'll show now of me. And so this is a video I'm going to show you of me FaceTiming and how I was able to use PNP, going off the FaceTime, work on other apps, and then come back to the FaceTime. So let's go ahead and look at that. And this is me on a FaceTime. I swipe up, I click out of it, and it automatically pops up my FaceTime at the bottom right hand corner. I can click on that and it will bring me back to my FaceTime. I'll show you that one more time. I'm on my FaceTime. All you do is swipe up, click out of it, and it will automatically appear your bottom right hand corner. You can click on it again to bring back your FaceTime. It's pretty quick and simple. If you guys have any questions on how to use PNP, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.